Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to find and remove the duplicate rows in MS Excel. Okay, so let's get started. So this is the MS Excel files, and here you can see the two columns. One is name and another column is whether it's a male or female. Okay, so here you can see some of the names like Kali, Arjun, Vihan, Amiya, Rohan, and all. Okay, and next to that here it's mentioned as whether it's a male or a female candidate. Okay, so here are some of the names. Okay, so I have just taken some of the random names. If you are one among them, kindly don't take it personally. Okay, so I have just taken these names casually. Okay, suppose if your name is any one of these names, kindly don't take it personally. This is only for educational purpose and only I am teaching it for some knowledge purpose. Okay, so now let's see, like in these names there are some names which are repeated here. Okay, for example, okay, so here you can see Vihan, so here also Vihan, and here you can see Noor, and here is also Noor, and any other name, Aditya. Okay, so Aditya is also repeated. Okay, suppose if you have more than 500,000 or millions of the rows, and if you want to remove the duplicate means it will be a tedious task and it will take a lot of time. So today in this particular video, I'm going to tell you some of the simple method, one of the simple method where you can remove the duplicates from these two columns. Okay, so what I will do is like I will just tell you like how you can remove the duplicate. If you want to remove the duplicates from these rows means, so for that what you can do is like you can just go to the data, and here you can see the option called remove duplicates. Click on remove duplicates. So this cannot be applied to the selected range since select the single cell in a range and try again. Okay, also I will select it and I will click on duplicate. So here you can see already two columns are selected, so unselect it. So from whichever the column you want to remove the duplicate, you can select the particular column. So I will select the name column and I will click on OK. So three duplicates found and removed. 15 unique values remain. Note that the counts include empty cells, spaces, etc. Click on OK. So that means like there are three duplicates were found and those duplicates are removed from this particular name column. And if the name is removed, obviously the whether it's a male or female candidate value will also be removed for that particular value in that column. Okay, so this is how you can remove the duplicates in MS Excel. Go to the data, select this particular rows, sorry, columns, click on remove duplicates, and here you can select the particular column, whichever the column you want, and then you can click on OK. Okay, so this is how you can remove the duplicates in MS Excel. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you one and all. Thank you. Bye bye.